The manufacturers of air fresheners don't want you to know this. If you run out of smell in the house and you have the habit of throwing away this jar, you are literally making a serious mistake. What you see here, most people buy it to give their house a smell, but when it runs out, they throw it away and buy another one. This becomes an annoying and inefficient habit of consumption. Today, I will show you a family secret to reuse it and even improve it, because apart from leaving your house very scented, it will also eliminate mosquitoes once and for all. Wash the jar thoroughly with plenty of water to remove the remaining residues from the other product. Take advantage and let me know from which country you are watching me to send you a special greeting at the end of the videos. Now for today's secret, you will need liquid alcohol. In a container, add 4 tablespoons. You can use 70% or 40%. Next, add 1 tablespoon of water and smell nails. Mosquitoes hate the smell of these nails due to a compound called eugenol, which has insecticide properties. You should add about 10 units of smell nails. You will also need to use fabric softener, the one you normally use to wash. If you don't have fabric softener, you can also use baby oil or any other smell essence. This will give it a lasting and spectacular smell. Add 2 tablespoons and mix everything until it is completely integrated. Now you just have to take that mixture to the jar and use it. Remember that this mixture is very potent, both to give a good aroma to your home and to repel mosquitoes. Finally, place it anywhere in the house. You can make this mixture whenever the air conditioner runs out, since you have a lot of space. If you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe so you can be the first to receive our videos.
Si encuentras útil este video, no olvides suscribirte para que seas el primero en recibir nuestros videos.